morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Quratul Ayun. I'm 43 years old. I come from Lampung of Indonesia. My status is married. My religion is Muslim. I have 2 daughters. My last education is junior high school. My body weight 49 kg. My body height 151 cm. I have experience work in Singapore 4 years, in Malaysia 2 years. My job in Singapore, clean the house, take care of the children and cooking. My job in Malaysia, clean the house, take care of the children and cooking. I can cook Chinese food. I'm not afraid of dog. I want to work in Hong Kong because I need more money for my family. I promise to be a good housemate and finish 2 years contract. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.